My name is Fatin, and I'm owner of Salon Haiifa Majic.
My name is Yazan. I am the manager in the salon. Actually, we like your company, and we like your product, and we like everything with your team. Everything was good. Actually, I learned already about the color, but I take more experience from your team, and I see how we make your product. How I mix it, how I do it with all the hair, like the tired hair, the good hair, and I like the work with your team. Actually, I can't choose just one because I like many things of your product, so I will choose many things. It's not just one thing.
But for me, I choose the treatments. I like it.
The treatment, and the color.
Yes, I like
your
it.
Your treatment is very good. Yeah, it's very good, and all the customer like it.
I like this one, the best one, Speed Repair, the best one, because he make for my hair very soft. Yeah, so I like it.
Yeah, sure. I hope all the salon choose this company. NIGAO is very good. If you want to protect the hair for customer, if you want your customer happy and have a very good hair, you have to choose NIGAO. Okay, how you booking? You can booking by the number or in the social media, in the Snapchat and Google Maps. And the location, we are in the Nana Sukhumvit Soy 3 in the Rich Residence, inside the Rich Residence.
You're welcome. Bye bye. Chup chup.
Thank you so much.